Welcome back, viewers. Thank you for connecting back with the KMI Community Connect. Today we are going to be talking about performance, but I want to briefly mention about fitness. In my last presentation, I spoke about fitness, and I mentioned that fitness has to do with what you are doing, not with your body shape or body size. Again, I am repeating, fitness has to do with what you are doing, not with your body shape and body size. Having said that, and having established that fact, we are going to talk about performance today, because performance and fitness go closely, very hand in hand. So what does it mean when you say performance? In general layman terms, it is actually how you conduct yourself or how you perform is basically defined in layman terms as the act of accomplishing an action in an efficient way. So the first thing that comes to mind when you say performance is higher efficiency, higher quality, higher level, higher caliber, like that. But today my focus on performance is purely on a physiological basis. So what are the three core factors or principles that are underlying for a human performance, both physically and mentally? The three important factors once again are remodel, rebuild and repair. So these are the three primary processes that are crucial for the human performance, both physically and mentally. And when this happens, there is a continuous regeneration that happens for higher performance and to amplify our performances. So this part of this three processes that I mentioned are happening at various levels. They are happening at a subcellular level, they are happening at a cellular level, it happens at a tissue level, it happens at an organ level, and it also happens as a whole human system as a whole. So what are the five core factors that influence to optimize our performance and also to make us live longer and healthier and transcend the inherent limitations that we have? There are five crucial factors that we are going to talk about for better human performance to enhance our physiological processes. Number one is sleep. Sleep is the greatest life support system that we have, and it is non-negotiable. The next thing that comes to after sleep in these factors that influence our performance is nutrition, or loosely called as diet, and the third part is the physical activity or exercise. Sleep is the foundational system that is crucial and essential for the diet and the nutrition as well as physical activity and exercise to function. The fourth part is the circadian rhythms. The circadian rhythms are the day and night cycles that influence our physical, behavioral as well as mental changes that happen in a 24-hour day cycle. So it actually varies with the sleep-wake cycle, and all the changes, biochemical changes that we see are basically happening because of the sleep-wake cycle, and everything that we do depends on when and where, what we do at what time. The fifth aspect is the challenges that we face, which is the adaptation to the internal and external challenges that we face both physically and mentally and emotionally, which loosely we call as stress. Now all these five factors are actually influencing each other in various ways. It is not a linear relationship in a bidirectional way that one factor affects the other. They are acting in a multi-directional way. Each of these factors are acting on each other in a multi-directional way, and the whole body is working like a system so that our performance improves when it is optimized and when it is in balance. So this system is such an efficient system that Mother Nature is so efficient that it is not leaving any place for inefficiency on the table. So what are the 5 factors that are important for higher human performance with higher output, for maximum output and maximum efficiency? Sleep primarily, nutrition, exercise or physical activity, circadian rhythms, which is the day and night cycles that influence these everything that we do, and finally the stress adaptation without maladaptation. So how do we amplify our performance? How do we adapt? How do we do these how do we go ahead and bring about these 5 factors into our life and optimize and bring better wattage, better voltage, and maximize our systems is what we call as performance, so that we can function better. So when performance improves, it leads to better function. The better function will be dealt with next week. So I'll be seeing you next time, maybe in the next 1 or 2 weeks. And if you have not seen my previous videos on the same topic, please view to my talk on the introduction, and after that I spoke on longevity, fitness, and today's performance, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you again.